The best trailer light kits is probably one of the most essential investments for anyone who tows a trailer, ensuring safety and visibility on the road. When picking a trailer light kit, consider the brightness of the lights, the durability of the materials, and the ease of installation. It's important to choose a kit that is reliable and long-lasting to avoid any issues while on the road. To help you find the right model, we've listed the top 5 trailer light kits and their key features plus the things you need to consider to help you choose the best one for you. Links to all products mentioned in the video are in the description below. Number 5. Best LED Upgrade. PARTSAM LED Trailer Lights. Looking to upgrade your trailer lights? PARTSAM LED trailer lights are the perfect choice. Trusted brand, top rated on Amazon. These lights are built to last with LED bulbs and IP68 waterproofing. No need to worry about durability and longevity. PARTSAM is a trusted brand with experience in building lighting systems for big rigs, cars, and trucks. Quality you can rely on. These trailer lights are the top-rated pick on Amazon. Join the satisfied customers who have upgraded to PARTSAM LED trailer lights. Simple to install, just supply your own wiring loom. Enjoy the benefits of LED lighting with ease. What we like. Upgrade to LED bulbs with PARTSAM. Trusted brand, top rated on Amazon. Built to last with IP68 waterproofing. What people say. Good solid lights. Certainly much better than the original lights that came with my trailer. With the original lights the bulbs would pop out of the socket when you hit a bump. Not so with these LED lights. Highly recommend these lights. Easy install as well. Nice looking LED lights for trailers, they are bright, easy to install, they're working great, hopefully they last a long time. Easy to install. Keep in mind it doesn't come with the wiring. But these are very bright. Number 4. Best value. MAXXHAUL Light Kit. This collection from MAXXHAUL is great for beginners or anyone who won't tow and launch watercraft. You can easily take apart the light pods with 4 screws to swap bulbs if they go haywire. Although the included incandescent lamps might not last as long as the LEDs in some kits, they're much cheaper to replace. Despite being compatible with trailers under 80 inches wide, it still includes the necessary clearance lights that meet DOT restrictions. Listed as compatible with trailers under 80 inches wide, this kit is a versatile option for various trailer sizes. What we like. Great for beginners with MAXXHAUL. Easy to replace incandescent bulbs. Includes necessary clearance lights for DOT restrictions. What people say. Very pleased. Nice price for quality product. Came with everything you need and works perfectly. Nice bright lights, easy install. This kit was complete with all wires, fixtures and connectors. Easy and quick to install. Be sure to wrap some electrical tape around the wires anywhere where they might rub on sharp parts of the trailer. These work and look great on my boat trailer. Number 3. Best overall. Blazer LED Trailer Light Kit. Featuring LED bulbs and waterproof pods, this trailer light kit from Blazer is a must-have for any trailer owner. The LED bulbs provide bright, reliable lighting, while the waterproof pods keep moisture out, ensuring long-lasting performance. With over 80 inches of compatibility, this kit is suitable for a wide range of trailers, making it a versatile option for any setup. Comes with everything you need for installation, including a wiring harness, license plate bracket, mounting hardware, and instructions, making it easy to get set up in no time. With a price tag of under $50, this trailer light kit from Blazer offers exceptional value and quality, making it a top choice for trailer owners everywhere. What we like. Get everything you need with Blazer. Run LED bulbs, sonically sealed pods, water-resistant electronics. Universal compatibility and affordable price. What people say. Great product, fantastic customer service. They had more LED diodes in them than the other lights and they were less expensive. Included in the packaging was a small battery and switch that allowed me to try the lights before ever opening the packaging. Instructions were very clear and easy to follow for installing these on my 8-foot by 5-foot utility trailer. The lights are nice and bright, which were a huge upgrade over the old stock ones. Being marine grade is an added bonus for durability. Number 2. Maximum visibility. LINKITOM LED trailer lights. Looking for a way to stand out? This kit includes a unique halo light pattern for a one-of-a-kind look. With a 25 feet long wiring harness, this kit has the longest on the list for easy installation. Increase visibility with additional reflectors included in this kit for added safety. Hundreds of Amazon reviews mentioned how easy it is to install this kit. Don't worry about the weather, these LED trailer lights are waterproof and compatible with trailers under 80 inches. What we like. Stand out with LINKITOM's unique halo light pattern. Longest wiring harness and additional reflectors for increased visibility. Easy installation according to Amazon reviews. What people say. Installed with ease. Bright and clear. Installed with waterproof connectors. Recommend and good value. Fit my pontoon trailer very well. Lights have 2 positions to mount them. Good idea. Only reason for 4 stars is the wires were not long enough for my 20-foot trailer. Had to splice about 3 foot onto the end. The kit comes with pretty much everything you could ask for. Looks like decent quality stuff. Time will tell if these lights will continue to work after a few submersions, but for now they resolved my burnt-out light issue and look good. Well packaged and very complete. Number 1. Durable. CZC Auto Trailer Lights. Customers love how easy it is to install these trailer lights onto their existing wiring infrastructure. They are hassle-free and convenient. Users have high praise for the light's reliability. They can be completely submerged in salt and fresh water with no corrosion issues. For under $30, these trailer lights offer exceptional value. Many buyers are impressed with the quality and functionality they provide. The LED light type ensures bright and efficient illumination. Customers appreciate the visibility these lights offer on the road. With a waterproof rating, these trailer lights are durable and reliable in various weather conditions. They can withstand exposure to water without any issues. What we like. Highly praised CZC Auto Lights. Easy installation, reliable performance, corrosion resistant. Great value under $30. What people say. The CZC set has bright LED tail, directional and brake LED lights, and added LED license plate lights as well. Fits my trailer brackets perfectly with its 2 mounting hole spacings and came with crystal clear installation diagram. Very happy with this purchase. I like that these lights are larger than most and that there is no denying when you step on the brakes. Much brighter than original equipment, but same mounting application. Great product. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.